floor, let's put them away. Blocks in the box, hip hip hooray! Cars and dolls, one by one, cleaning up is so much fun. Clean up, everybody help. Pick it up, put it away, let's clean up today. Books on the shelf, nice and neat. Pencils and crayons